Hello, Grade 5. This is our next video on how to organize your pictures in Google Drive. And now that you have, what you have done is that you've downloaded the photos from using Google Keep and downloading it to your Google Drive. So how do I keep my photos organized? So what I usually do is I create a new folder for any new projects that I do. So I go over here and there's a new button there with a plus with a fairly colorful a plus sign there. When I click on it, I have a few options. I could create a new folder. I could upload a new file. I could even upload a new a folder. And also I could create a Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. But right now we're just going to create a brand new folder. So I'm going to click on Folder. It's going to ask me what is my new folder's name. I'm going to name it as Grade 5 ebook project. And I'm going to click Create. As you can see, it created a brand new folder for me. Here's my Grade 5 ebook project. Now, how do I put my photos into this folder so that I can easily access it from the future? Again, there are quite a few different ways. One of the simplest way is choosing a photo. So there's my Boston 9 shoes. Click on it and drag it over and then let go. And what you will see is that, hey, I've moved, Google said I've moved that photo into your folder. So let's take a look at if that's in the drive or not. So that's one way to move your photos into a folder. The other way is this. So once you located the photos, and what you want to do is two finger tap again. So again, right click on it, you'll get a menu. And what you want to do is you want to find the function that says move to. So when you click on it, it is going to ask you where you want this to move to. And I know that I've created a folder called Grade 5 ebook project. I simply choose that, highlight that, and say move. And as simple as that, it's moved to my folder. So from this point on, later on, when you need to use the photo and photos to go into your ebook project, you have access to it even from home. Now, only if you have a Mac at home that you could access Pages. So if you have a Windows system at home, unfortunately, you won't be able to do the ebook project from home, but you will have access to these photos when you access your Google Drive from home. All right, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you'll find this video useful. And keep in mind, Grade 5, the better organized you are, the better this ebook project is going to be, or the easier down the road when you need to look for things.